G here from OG Creations. I was inspired by this beautiful gradation on a new pair of running shoes that I ordered from Brooks Running. I knew I had to try to recreate it. I ordered this 94% cotton, 6% spandex sport singlet in late summer, but saved it until I had a clue what I wanted to do with it. Since this is black, we have to begin with reverse dyeing it. Using kite string, I start by tying it up in a messy, random, chaotic, geodish technique. I gather the material in wadded up small sections, wrap the string around each section, gather more material, and tie again. I continue until the process is completed. On my dye rack, I apply a bleach solution of 2 parts hot water, 1 part liquid bleach, all over it. I allow that to process for 10 minutes before turning it over and adding more bleach and processing for another 10 minutes. I soak it in a 10 parts water, 1 part peroxide solution for 20 minutes. I untie it, mostly because I want to see what it looks like, and then I run it through the laundry using a cold water cycle before soaking it in a soda ash bath for 25 minutes and then setting it aside for 24 hours until it was practically dry. I'm going to crumple the singlet. I want to make sure it's nice and wrinkled on both sides, and then I place it on my dye rack. I match my Dharma dye colors to this awesome gradation. I'm using peach, I place a small piece of tape on my dye rack where I start each new color, so when I flip the singlet over to add more dye, the sections will match. Watermelon, Cobalt. Once covered, I set it aside for 48 hours to cure in a 70-degree space. It is rinsed in cold water, and then I slowly increase the temperature to hot to ensure that all the soda ash has been removed. It is then run through the laundry using a cold water cycle and then a hot water cycle. After being dried and ironed, I've popped it up on my Etsy store ready to purchase. You can get this and similar items by clicking the link above or by visiting ogcreationstore.etsy.com.
Any questions?
If you have any questions, pop them in the comments below. I'm happy to answer them. I think I did it. The colors are fun, bright, and absolutely match the runners. I am very pleased with the final result. What do you think? Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time.